Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Check your Android version and free storage so you don't chase symptom errors. Once done, go to Settings, Apps, Stop Google Play Store, then clear cache and app data for both Play Store and Google Play services. This removes corrupt temporary files. Make sure to reboot the device immediately after clearing. While it restarts, switch to a reliable Wi-Fi network or ensure mobile data has full signal so the store can re-authenticate cleanly. Next, focus on account and service integrity. You should remove your Google account from Settings, reboot, then re-add it so token refresh happens. This often resolves permission failures. Once re-signed in, force a full sync for account services so Play Store can access purchase and app lists. If Play Services is outdated and the store won't update, sideload the correct APK version. Do this carefully, matching your architecture. Also verify system date and time, and temporarily disable VPNs or proxies that block authentication. Finally, validate the fix by opening Play Store and attempting a small app download or update. Watch for progress and error messages so you know what changed. If problems persist, reset app preferences to restore disabled apps and permissions, and test again. Only if nothing else works, consider a factory reset after backing up data. One key troubleshooting tip: create a separate device user or guest profile and sign in there. If Play Store works, the issue is tied to your original account or profile settings rather than the device itself.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.